Hey everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Rec Room mic not working in Windows PC. If your mic isn't picking up sound or just won't work inside Rec Room, don't worry. We've got some easy steps to get it sorted out. First, let's make sure Windows is actually allowing your microphone to be used. Click on the Start menu, then go to Settings. From there, head over to Privacy and Security, then click Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also, scroll down and confirm that Rec Room is allowed to use the mic. Now check if the correct mic is set as default. Right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar, then choose Open Sound Settings. Under the Input section, select your actual mic from the list. Click on Device Properties and speak into the mic to test if the volume bar moves. Then click Additional Device Properties and make sure the mic isn't muted. Next, let's update the audio drivers to rule out outdated software. Press the Windows key and X at the same time, then click Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs, then right-click your mic and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and once it's done, restart your PC. Sometimes, other apps might take over your mic and cause problems in Rec Room. Right-click the speaker icon again and go to Sounds. In the Recording tab, right-click your mic and select Properties. Open the Advanced tab and uncheck the box that says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Lastly, it's always a good idea to keep Windows updated. Open the Start menu and go to Settings, then click Update and Security. Under Windows Update, click Check for Updates and install anything that's pending. If none of these steps work, try using a different microphone or check Rec Room's official support page for more specific help. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more easy tech fixes.